Hello, dear parents. Welcome to a brand new episode of New Moms Hub. So, as lockdown is going on right now, so many of the new parents must be definitely worried because massage walis are not able to come at our places, nannies are not able to come to our houses. So, I understand your concerns. But this is the video to solve all your problems. Yes, just by following the easy and the simple steps that I have shown in this video, you can massage your little one on your own. It is not at all difficult. In fact, if you ask me personally, I would advise do massage your baby on your own because it helps in creating that special bond with your baby. Your baby communicates in its own language with you and you're able to understand your baby in a better way. So I have massaged my baby on my own and I can see it for myself the various benefits that massage has had on her growth and development. So massaging is not at all tough and I have simplified it for you. So before beginning the massage session of your baby, you need to keep 4 tips in mind. So here I present to you New Moms Hub 4 important tips for baby's massage. First thing is, the room in which you massage your baby, it should be warm because our babies are going to be naked, so they should not feel cold. So make sure the temperature is just right. The second important thing is the base on which you massage, it should be soft. You can either massage your baby on the bed or you can massage your baby on the floor. If you go for the floor option, make sure that the mattress on which you massage your baby, it should have a good cushion so that your baby's body do not get hurt in any way. Third important point is toys. Keep some toys handy so whenever your babies get bored of the entire thing, you can just hand over their toys to them so their mind is diverted. Fourth important thing is keep some white noise handy. Like when I massage my daughter, so I have some white noise music files on my mobile which I play. And what is white noise, what are the various benefits of white noise, for that I'll make an elaborated video. So make sure you stay tuned to it, and for that you will have to subscribe to my channel. So it's just an attempt from my side so that you parents do not worry at all. Even though it's lockdown going on, you can still massage your baby on your own just by following it in simple and easy steps. Now today Jill is 1.5 years old and I have seen that how she is an active baby. She is achieving some of her milestones well in advance. I have shared the clippings with you all at the end of this video, so make sure you see, it's really fun to watch. And I can see she's not much fuzzy. She gives me and my husband good amount of romantic time as well. Yes, we are able to binge watch web series. We are able to have some romantic candlelight dinners. And how we do it, that is the aim of New Moms Hub. Here I share the tips and the tricks that we use to make this entire parenting phase a peaceful and an enriching experience. So make sure that you stay tuned to our various social media handles. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it to be useful, and do share it with other new parents. Now there are many benefits of massaging your baby. I cannot put it all into this one single video. That is the reason I have written a detailed article on the benefits of massaging the different parts of your baby's body. So make sure you go through the article because it will help you to understand the concept of massaging in a better way. So like my Facebook page and please do share it with new parents because you do not know what it would be the greatest favor that you can do, because I understand most of the new parents are worried. And this is a video and this is my way of saying thanks to all you mommies who have stayed connected with New Moms Hub, and I have received various messages on Instagram. So mommies, this is the video for you as you have requested, and I will be making videos on other requested topics as well very soon. So as we have made all the preparations now for massaging, so I think now it's time to start massaging your baby. So let's go to the video. So let's begin. Here I have taken around 10 to 15 ml of oil in this bowl, as you can see. Now there are various kinds of oils available in the market. You can use grapeseed oil, castor oil, virgin coconut oil, or the normal baby oil. Now you need to heat this oil for a few seconds. Make sure that you do not heat it too much because our baby's skin is very sensitive. I would say just heat it for around 10 seconds. Make sure that your nails are cut short because we will be massaging our baby, so we should not end up hurting them in any way. So this is how I start massaging my baby's head. I put a few drops of oil on this area of her head and I massage it very gently. I just use slight pressure of my fingers. This way, just rotate your fingers left and right, applying very little pressure on this area. Now I'm massaging the rest area of her head with oil, and while doing this I'm also applying slight pressure of my palms. This will not only relax your baby but will also ensure that your baby's hair grows in good volume when the baby grows up. In fact, this is the secret behind the healthy hair that babies have. So now I am joining both of my legs and placing a soft piece of cloth over it. I am placing my daughter very carefully over the piece of cloth. Mommies and daddies, make sure that the material is very soft so that the baby is not uncomfortable in any way. Jheel is very naughty, as you can see. Now I begin massaging her forehead in circular motions. This technique is a very effective one because it not only improves the skin texture but it also relaxes their muscles. It stimulates their nerves. There are a lot of advantages of massaging using this technique. The baby do not cry much, they do not become fuzzy, which is the complaint that most of new moms have. So mommies, whenever you see your babies crying a lot, just take a moment and use this technique to massage. So here I saw Jheel was getting a bit uncomfortable, so I just placed her on the bed. Now when you massage this way, on the different parts of the face, there are different advantages. Like right now I'm applying a bit pressure on the nose area. This helps in clearing the nasal congestion and it also gives a good shape to your baby's nose, especially in cases of some complications which happens during pregnancy and the nose is not formed correctly. So this is a very good solution to that. So here let me show you the technique to massage the nose once again. This is the way you need to massage the start of the nose and the tip of the nose. Placing some toys close to your baby always helps. Now massaging is a very beautiful mindful engagement. Here you can see that I am applying some oil and giving her a kind of acupressure over her palms and her fingers. I'm applying little bit of pressure on each finger and a slight pressure on her hand, especially the elbow area. Rub the elbow of your babies this way. Now mommies, you might think that I am being a bit harsh on my baby, but that's not the case because I massage her on a daily basis. So she is habituated and even I am well aware of the amount of pressure that I should be using. Now give some relief to your babies this way and repeat the same procedure on the other hand. Now some slight pressure over her chest. Use the pressure of your fingers. And in this way, rub oil over her entire body. Now this is a very crucial part. Put some oil in the navel of your baby and rub it gently in circular motions using your fingers. This solves a lot of problems in babies. This releases gas, solves their colic problems, constipation problems. You might be observing that babies sometimes cry a lot and we do not understand the reason. So mommies, the reason is gas. So whenever you feel that your baby is being fuzzy in spite of being fed properly, use this technique. And in between, this is how I entertain Sheil. I use some exercises which makes her laugh, and you should keep on talking to your baby while doing it. So now it's time to move to the legs. So again, I'm applying little bit of oil over her limbs and her feet, and again massaging it very gently using the pressure of my palms. Giving some acupressure over her feet. Now when you massage the feet of your baby this way, it stimulates their nerves and also relaxes them. We all are aware of the wonders of acupressure. It does the same for your babies too. Now rub this way the knee joint of your baby. Using this technique ensures a proper growth of bones. And in between, whenever you want to give a break to your baby, just press the baby's legs this way. And massage your baby's other leg in the same manner. Especially the toes area. Massage this area of your baby's feet. It helps them to relax. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I also write articles related to my experiences. For that, like my Facebook page. Now, hold both the legs of your babies in this way and rub the knee joints. Do not worry, mama. I'm not applying too much of pressure. And as far as your baby is comfortable and seems to be enjoying the entire session, you can go ahead with it. So using this technique ensures strong growth of bones. Babies grows to be stronger, healthier, and they are also active. Now it's time for a good back massage. I begin it by rubbing her ears very gently with oil and massaging her neck. Now again you can see I am repeating the same technique which I have shown you before, the circular motions. Just massage it the way the treatment that we get in a spa. just the amount of pressure is different. Massage in circular motions from top to bottom. And now taking some oil, use a slight pressure on the spine. When you do the back massage of your babies in this way, it stimulates growth hormone, which is a very important reason for the weight gain in babies. So the mommies who complain about the weight gain, this is the technique for you. So as we are done with the upper body, now it's time for the legs once again. Again, you can see I'm applying pressure of my palms. Now this area again gives a lot of relief to the babies, and especially babies start becoming active after 3 to 4 months. So because of the frequent movements, their hands and legs pain because of course they are doing something or the other. So massaging this way gives them a lot of relief, and this is the reason why babies sleep for longer hours when they are massaged. Now again, this is the ankle area that I'm rubbing and applying slight pressure while doing this. Now this is again an important part. Make sure you give good amount of time to this area of your baby's legs. This area pains a lot. You might have experienced it while you were pregnant. So I used to massage my own legs using this technique, and it used to really work wonders. So I use the same way for my baby, and I massage her gently, applying slight pressure. After a good massage session, this is how I swaddle my baby. Swaddling this way ensures that the oil is absorbed in the skin and babies also sleep for longer hours. I have also made a video on swaddling, so you can refer to the link in the description box below. So here you can see I have massaged Hill's body in the morning, and in dinner it was time for me and my husband to chill and just have some good time. So we took our daughter along with us, and you can see she is not at all fuzzy. In fact, she enjoys being out, maybe because her body is relaxed and I have done all the exercises in the morning. So she enjoys with us too. So because of massaging, I have witnessed Jill growing as an active baby. I have seen her achieving many of her milestones well in advance, and a huge credit goes to the daily massage that I used to do. So yes, it works wonders. Now this came as a very huge surprise because I wasn't expecting this progress this soon. So yes, of course, that makes me a happy mommy, and the reason is a good body massage. If you found this video to be helpful, do share it with other moms around you, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.